Clone code. Let's see how we can make a simple JS lib and publish it to npm JS. So I have already made the code and let's just start. So first of all, you will need a npm JS account. And second of all, you should choose a name that doesn't exist. So after searching, if you don't know how to search, just go to npm JS and just search if it's little packet found, then you can just do. So I found this calculator util doesn't take it. I'm going to make a simple thing. So open your terminal and make a new door. Make a new folder. So make your package and I'm going to go to this package. Then start this and come with the initial like it will ask for the package. Say calculator, calculator usage. But there's something like capitalized, I think space is not allowed. So you should make something straightforward. Then I will put my version. The default is 1.0.0, which is the first version. Then the description type a cool description. I hope your npm.js package is more better than mine. So mine will be a simple calculator. Then it will ask for the owl answer point. Yes, I want index.js. Then that command none. And I get the positive none. But if this is a real JS tab, I select initializing one. Keyword going to go with calculator util and and of course back and forth. Will ask me for the author, so just enter my npm.js username and it's very simple. So it is the license, so I'm going to go to my feed. Like you can see and click OK. Then open it with a put a tether and create this what is called this index dot index dot index dot like you can see it is and here you will have code. So like I said, I have this code with some division, multiplication, add. But don't suggest the making it like this. It's better if you just here. You have to add here X part, and let's just go through each of them to type X part. X part, and if you think this is a long thing, long library, no, some libraries allow well 1,000 lines. So like you can see the 10 and like you can see there's this if and why I'm using this if else is to check if the type of the thing that is fast not a number. And this is my npm data. But of course you will need to test it. So really quickly you can make a test it. I have already tested. Then after you are done with all of this, I suggest adding something called the readme.com. which here will make it the bio. So I'm going to add. Um, if you don't know Markdown, I have the best thing for it. Just go to webdevtool, webdevtool.virtual.com. There you will find many tools to help you. So, well, well, it is, and go to the app, sorry, little, sorry, not one second, okay? So, I don't know, I think they changed it, so, yeah, so one second, it will, well, I don't know why I forgot URL, it's really special. This is the URL, like you can see, many people contributed to it. Let's go to Markdown, MD, and here, from here you can make it, but I know MD, so I'm not going to go with it. So I'm going to first thing type the title. So like you can see, if you go here, this is it. So I'll to later utilities and just going to add this as simple calculator, and I'm going to just make an user, and this user just make things so going just to do it. So you can delete it. I'm just going to go with a simple thing. So cons calculator equally fire just type the simple thing. So I'm going to just add the thing, then add the thing that we can do. So control log then all our things. So I will stop this video, then we will go back when I finish making the remix. So after some time, I have made this cool thing. I said, what is it like this? And if you want to see this, you can just take it over to the web tool. 1 second, here it is. And I will put a link for it in the description. Like you can see, this is what I wrote. Like you can see, it's really clean and very. You can just load this now and now. I will think it's ready to be published. So go here and just npm login if this is the first time to publish npm login. It will ask me for my user. So I will enter my username, which is as a underscore coder. Then I will enter my secret password, of course, because it's a password no one can see. Then the email, so the email is this. I think this is which email login. So after login, so like you can see, send me an email, which is good. So if the like something bad, I got hacked, things like that. So on my email, when I go to my email, I have an OTP. So, 0. So mine is 0522 88035. So let me, yeah, tell, like you can see now, I am logged in the coder. Now you can simply type and can publish. This is it. It will take some time publishing, and now it is launched. So if you want to see it, so you can just open your browser for a browser. I don't know why I told it. So when you open your browser, like you can see here, and go to the 1 second and just for it. Like you can see little, and this is just the library that we have done it. Like you can see this is it.